Welcome to our guide on designing artwork for laser engraving. Before you jump into designing a laser engraved product, there are a few things that you need to know. Here are 5 tips to help ensure your project looks the best it possibly can. For best results, be sure to use images that are solid black. The laser reads dark areas as places to engrave. The darker the area, the more power the laser will engrave with. The best images to use are black and transparent PNGs, where the black area represents the area that you want to engrave. Adjust your line thickness. Thicker lines are better for engraving as they are more visible. Fine details can get lost in the engraving process, so it's best to avoid designs with too much detail. When using text, use a font size that is larger than 12 points. Small fonts don't laser engrave well on some materials. Ensure your images are high resolution. This prevents pixelation and ensures a clean, crisp engraving. Finally, position and size your artwork appropriately for the material that you will be engraving. If you follow these 5 tips, your laser engraved product will be sure to make a great impression.